Welcome to today's video. In this session, we will discuss a common question. How often should you update your website content for SEO? We will cover all the factors that decide update frequency, best practices, and tips for keeping your site fresh. Search engine prefer fresh, accurate, and relevant content. Regular updates shows Google that your site is active, trustworthy, and worth ranking higher. There is no fixed number of days or months for updates. Frequency depends on your industry, competition, and the type of content you publish. Evergreen content like how-to guides may only need updates once or twice a year to stay relevant and accurate. For news or rapidly changes topic, update your content weekly or even daily to stay competitive in search results. In high competitive industries like finance, health, and tech, refreshing content every 1 to 3 months can help maintain ranking. Seasonal topics like best summer travel tips should be updated before each relevant season to attract timely traffic. When updating content, also check for technical issues like loading speed, broken links, and outdated meta tags. Use Google Analytics and Search Console to see which pages are losing traffic. These are your top priority for updates. When updating, add new statistics, improve readability, include internal links, and refresh visuals for better engagement. Here is a quick reference. Evergreen content yearly. Blogs every 3 to 6 months. Competitive niche every 1 to 3 months. News daily or weekly. Seasonal before the season starts. Updating content regularly helps maintain rankings, attracting new visitors, and improve user trust. Your update schedule should match your niche, competition, and content type. Thank you for watching. Start auditing your website content today and create an update calendar to stay ahead in SEO. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.